Today we're checking back in with Ripple's XRP coin, performing some technical analysis and making some predictions on where we can expect to see XRP go in the near future. Let's get into it. Welcome back into the XRP chart, guys. If you'd like to buy XRP or want some free Bitcoin, there are a couple of links down in the description of today's video. And it's only been a couple of days since we last took a look at XRP, and we were hoping that, of course, our horizontal point of support at 69 cents would hold up. As you can see, it clearly wasn't the case. It wanted to hold up on the 25th of April. You can see quite a bounce occur there. But unfortunately then on the 26th it completely failed, and where we are now today is sitting at a value of 65 cents. We haven't quite gotten down to our next level of support at 62 cents fortunately, but things aren't looking terribly positive at this point in time. So all in all, things I suppose could be better. Now obviously, as we all know, the crypto market did bounce just then, but then dipped basically straight away afterwards. So that is why we are in this predicament, in my opinion. Unfortunately, until the market picks up, XRP will not pick up either. So 62 cents, is it on the cards? Yes, it certainly is. In fact, you know, we've gotten as low so far already as 62 cents, 0.78, but we haven't gotten all the way down to 62 cents itself. So all in all, you can see that this mark is very, very important. It's acted as a bounce point. It's acted as a major point of price action historically. You can see even over here as well, plenty of price action occurring right at that point. Now obviously as well, we're in underneath these moving averages, not helping at all, and the green periods, as we're seeing, aren't massive, but the red periods are. We're seeing frequent sort of large-ish red periods, nothing too out of the ordinary though, pretty consistent with our current volume, but I expect what we're going to see is it's pushing our RSI down quite low. And looking at the RSI now, you can see, and probably the reason we actually bounced, our RSI hit 29.94. It's now currently sitting at 32.28. We're in the oversold region. We are very, very much overdue for a reversal in the price of XRP. You can see the last time we peaked was the 8th of February. We're in the overbought range. Since that point, it's been moving gradually towards, of course, our downwards point over here at the 32 and 29 region. So if a reversal was ever going to occur, now is sort of the time and place for that to occur. Maybe we might see a bit more oversold area as well if we do, you know, see the market continue to unfortunately sell off. But if we are going to see a reversal now or within the next few weeks is the time to actually see it. MACD, let's have a brief look at that one as well. As you can see, green period was very brief, went straight back into the red as we already knew, and it looks like these 12-day and 26-day EMAs are still moving further and further apart. We have not seen a peak yet of our red period, so let's see what happens over the next few days. Now, given that they've moved quite far apart, if we do see a swing up of that 12-day EMA, you'd hope it would be quite aggressive and should hopefully move us, I suppose, a bit quicker in an upwards direction, but time will tell. We need to see the volume obviously come in and support that. I just want to have a quick look at the hourly, given we only checked this out, you know, a few days ago. Zooming so we can see exactly what happened. You can see we had that nice rally there coming back up, but unfortunately it failed again. We're moving sort of in that direction. We are being supported now though by this moving average here, of course, but unfortunately, you know, right here we saw big dump on at 16, then at 17. Unfortunately, it didn't move too much, even though it was green. A bit of, I suppose, unease or uncertainty with regards to the overall direction of the trend. But all in all, you know, we're still sort of not doing too much over the past hour or so. If we're really looking deeply into this, and I suppose this is super short-term stuff, you could say potentially, you know, we tried to break out of this little downtrend that we've got in place here, but it was unsuccessful. Maybe we'll see this moving average support us to break out of it, and we could see that 69-cent mark is back on the cards again. All in all, I think our main goal at the moment when it comes to XRP is really we just need to survive as much as we can. 62 cents, not ideal, but hopefully we don't see a drop any further. Otherwise, what's on the cards is, well, as you can see, let me just move that back. Let's shuffle down, see what's on the cards. Well, it's looking like it's dire straits for us if we get that low. Probably 54 cents is on the cards next if we do drop below that 62-cent mark. So hopefully it doesn't occur. I'll put in the horizontal point of support for us over here just so we can visualize exactly where that is. But things aren't looking fantastic at the moment. Overall, what's going to drive Ripple up is basically the court case ending, and of course as well an overall reversal in the crypto space. That wraps up today's analysis on XRP, guys. I'd love to hear your thoughts down in the comments section below. Of course, if you did enjoy today's video, make sure you do leave a thumbs up, and if you want to see more of this sort of content, hit subscribe and turn on those bell notifications. I'll leave it there for today, guys. I hope you have an awesome day. I'll see you next time. Cheers.